Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on VCTY. Got quite a few questions on this one today, and it's looking like maybe we could get a nice move coming here. The main question I got, and what I kind of want to clear up off the bat is, I got a lot of people saying, so is this the reversal? And the short answer to that would be no, and the reason is reversals don't happen in one day. Stocks have to go through kind of a process when they've been falling like this. Obviously there's the fall, and then there's got to be some sort of stabilization, consolidation, and then there's the bounce, then there's the reversal, and then there's another breakout to higher highs. So right now you could definitely say that this was hopefully the first day to some sort of either bounce or consolidation period. But as far as going and saying, this is the chart's reversing now, that's way too premature, because there's got to be much more things that go on before you can consider anything being any sort of reversal. So now, don't get me wrong, today was definitely a good start. The stock was up over 40% and had great volume. But anybody saying that this is a reverse based off of one day, that's just a guess, because you can't justify that with a chart just by seeing one day. Just like if this was an uptrend and you had one pullback day, for anybody to say that one pullback day is a reverse, that doesn't make much sense. It could just be a pullback, and this could just be a bounce where it heads back down, or this could be the beginning of a reversal. But to call it a reversal, that's just too premature, like I said. So what I want to do is just map out some supports and resistances and kind of go over the levels I would like to see it get above, and then those levels are where you can start to talk more and more about a possible reversal. So the first level is, I believe, where the price got knocked down today, and that's at this previous low right here, which is based at 0.0035, and I believe today's high was 0.0035. So great example here of charts doing a good job of forecasting where our resistance levels will be. Real quick, this was once a support right here, and then when it was broken, it became a resistance. That's just basic technical analysis. And then today you can see the price came up here and did get knocked down by it. So this level here is going to be the first kind of level that not only does the price need to get above, but you need to start to see some closes above it. If it can start to do that, then that's where I still wouldn't personally feel comfortable calling it a reversal, but that's where it starts to gain a little bit more credence, because it's starting to hopefully put in higher lows. If it can get up above here, and then this is the lowest it drops before heading back up and making another new high, then we would have a situation where we'd have lows down here, and then we'd have a new set of lows here, and we could start to draw an uptrend line. And that's obviously what a reversal is. It starts to trend the other way. Now there's other resistance levels, obviously, and the other ones besides this 0.0035 are just going to be simply these two moving averages. The sooner and longer the price can get above and stay above these, the quicker they'll be able to start to curve around, and that'll trigger the short-term trends to be bullish. Right now you can see that they're still both clearly pointing down, which says the short-term trend is still down, but that's why it's important to get above them and stay above these, so that the price and these lines can start to curve upwards. Like I said, today was a good start, and it just needs to follow through. If there's not any follow through, then this will just kind of be a one-day wonder. But if this volume can stay decent and more eyes see it, then hopefully that'll push this with some follow through. Now in terms of supports, pretty basic. It's just going to be this previous low down here at what was this low? 0.0016. This is essentially the must-hold level, just because if it can hold, then that means the chart's put in yet another new low, and that would just confirm that this downwards move, is still in full force. But even if the price were to come back down here and manage to hold this level, that would be considered, that first phase I talked about of just consolidating before hopefully, another move comes back up. So we do want to see this level hold as support. But better yet, it'd be great if we could turn this 0.0035 into support by getting some closes above it up there. So that is where the chart stands. Like I said, in my opinion, can't call this a reversal or anything. But if it can stay strong and keep moving up and start making some of these resistance level supports, then it's going to draw in more and more attention, and hopefully flip to the bull's advantage. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get charts set up, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was VCTY. Thanks for listening.